Gemini 2.5. Flash is Google's latest lightweight version of its AI model, designed to run faster and more efficiently, especially for mobile and edge devices. It's part of the Gemini 1.5 family but optimized for speed and responsiveness rather than raw power. While it doesn't match the depth of 1.5 Pro or Ultra, it still handles smart tasks like summarization, basic coding, and contextual Q&A really well. In real-world use, Gemini 2.5 Flash feels snappy and efficient. It responds faster, making it ideal for chatbots, quick content edits, or AI assistants in apps. It's also cheaper and uses fewer resources. However, it's less capable with complex reasoning, nuanced writing, or long context memory. Think of it as the fast mode of Gemini, perfect for real time AI needs, not deep analysis. Verdict: Gemini 2.5 Flash is ideal if you want speed and responsiveness for lightweight tasks, but not a replacement for pro level AI depth. Great for devs, apps, and fast user experiences.